Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change Windows Defender scheduled scan mode. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy first command from description and paste it into PowerShell. One indicates default quick scan. Copy second command from description and paste it into PowerShell. Type 2 to change scan mode to full scan. Scan mode is changed to full scan. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.